Alright folks, we are back. Unfortunately, Streamlabs just crashed. Yep, we're back at Game 5, so sorry about that folks. We had Streamlabs just crashed on us. So, I'm thinking my laptop might be overheating because... So let me get the stream stuff reconfigured on my desktop because we did have a crash. But I believe this is Game 5, so Draymond bringing it to a Game 5 here, so. And sorry about that, folks. Okay, folks, sorry about that. We had a crash, and the way the capture code works, it actually paused the game a little bit too, but we're in a Game 5 here, and pretty even set. But yeah. I'm not sure why. I think my laptop might be overheating because we had a preview of the stream extended to the other screen so people can see it. So let me get that. So that way people can see it. There we go. All right. So we are back up and running here, and I moved my laptop slightly, so hopefully it gets some better cooling. I think it might have been a crash relating to overheating or something like that. But yeah. I'm gonna have to check on the VOD on that because I'm hoping when it crashed, it, just save the VOD fine. So, but we're down to an even final stock, and Draymond is going to win.